How to change dark mode on Microsoft PowerPoint. What is up everyone, welcome back to another tutorial. In this video I'm going to show you guys how to easily turn on the dark mode on Microsoft PowerPoint presentation. But before getting started, don't forget to hit the like button down below and subscribe to the channel. Now let's jump right into the video. So the very first thing you need to do is head over to the Files tab at the top left. And then once you get to Files, you'll have your nav bar at the left side of your screen. Head over to the Account section right at the bottom. And once you head here, you will see something called Office Theme. So if you click on this drop down, you will actually see multiple options like dark gray, black, white, use system settings, or colorful. So if you want to set this to dark, let's say dark mode, you can just click on black and everything will be blacked out like this. If you use system settings and your system settings is set to dark mode, it will still be dark. Now if you want it white, you can do that as well. And there is other option that says dark gray, which is a bit different from black. It's a bit lighter and more pleasing to look at. So that's how you turn on the dark mode on Microsoft PowerPoint presentation. If you found this tutorial helpful, hit the like button below and subscribe, and I'll catch you guys on the next one.